Let's be real. We love to call out narcissistic men, but let's tell the truth. Some of y'all women are the real Jezebels in the house, and you're destroying your man, marriage, and your family. Let me tell you what this narcissistic spirit in the woman looks like. A narcissistic woman doesn't build, she bulldozes. She don't submit, she dominates. And if she can't control the man, she'll control the money, the children, and the atmosphere in the house. She'll cause a disruption anytime her husband tries to lead in a direction she doesn't agree with, because she needs the family to look to her and not him. She smiles in public, but behind closed doors, she tears her husband down until he feels smaller than the man God called him to be. She'll manipulate family decisions so that everything points back to her, and then play the victim role when she's called out. She manipulates the family to believing that her way is the only way, making it look like her husband is the problem, but she's the one pulling the strings. This is deeper than personality. This is the Jezebel spirit at work. Manipulative, seductive, charming, controlling, and bent on undermining God's order of the house. And here's the kicker. She doesn't clap when her husband leads. She only claps when he bows. Because a Jezebel doesn't honor headship. It feeds off of control. That ain't strength, sis. That's witchcraft. Anytime you control during manipulation and fear and seduction, you're not leading your home, you're cursing it. 1 Kings chapter 21 says, Jezebel manipulates, lies, and kills to control outcomes. Ephesians chapter 22 verse 23. Wives are called to support their husband and support God's order in the home. Proverbs 14 verse 1. A wise woman builds her house, but with her own hands the foolish one tears hers down. Keep in mind that the Jezebel will always make herself the priority. She thrives when people look to her and not to God. Jezebel uses 3 tools: manipulation, intimidation, and domination. If she can't charm you, she'll threaten you. If she can't threaten you, she'll sulk and play victim until you give in. Men, hear me. If you got a woman who undermines you every time you try to lead, who withholds respect until you do things her way, who can't celebrate you unless she controls you, that's not strength. That's a Jezebel spirit. And ladies, rebellion is not independence. Manipulation is not wisdom. Control is not love. It's bondage. And if you don't deal with it, you'll destroy the very house God trusted you to build. So yes, men can be narcissistic too. But let's not act like women can't carry the same spirit. Some of you are dangerous because you wear the Jezebel crown and you think it's a halo. The Jezebel spirit in a woman will take a good man, a good marriage, and a good family and burn it all to the ground until you repent and surrender to Christ. You'll keep destroying the very thing that God gave you to protect. Yep, I said it.